Hi, I'm Carrie. I cosplay, crochet, and enjoy history bounding. And in the video where I talked about the goals, or my goals for 2022, I mentioned maybe I should do some history bounding hairstyles since I have some pretty epically long hair now. So that's what we're going to do today.
Let's start with something simple, 2 braids. This always reminds me of Little House on the Prairie. Traditionally, the part would be in the center, but I find it more pleasing to the modern aesthetic to have my part off to the side. Then I made sure that the sides have about the same amount of hair and braid. Quick, simple, fun. Next, a simple evolution of the current style. I'm sure you could try this with your own hair, but I go for simplicity. I have a braid headband that I purchased at a dollar store. I feel this look gives a bit of a medieval vibe. My hair isn't long enough to wrap all the way around my head, so I take one braid and go immediately over the top of my head. I secure it temporarily in place with a hair clip. The other braid goes behind my head and then up towards the top of my head. I secure everything in place with bobby pins. This is very similar to the last look, but this time I put both braids over the top of my head, so I end up with a gap in the back of my head where there is no braid. I decided to try hair taping for this one. I have a long piece of ribbon and a darning needle. I leave enough of the ribbon free to be able to tie it when I'm done. Then I sew the braids to my scalp hair to secure them in place. Tie a cute bow to finish.
Oh, yeah, so hair taping, so much easier to do when you can actually, really see what you're doing. Ben had to help me get them out. It was a little crazy, but you get the idea. I definitely did a much better job when I was wearing the mock-up kirtle gown. The green one did a better job then.
This time I did part my hair in the center. I took just the front bit of hair and braided. I can't believe this is the first time today that I managed to tangle my hair as I braided.
And they're not symmetrical. Of course not. Why would they? And I need another hair tie. I'll be back.
I twisted the rest of my hair into a bun, then secured the ends of the braids into the bun, creating the loops at the side of my head. Even with my hair loose, this has a history-bounding vibe. A 70s feel, I think. To start this look, I need to brush my hair to one side and then braid. Great, tangled again. I purposely leave a little loop at the end of the braid when I put the elastic in. I lay the braid across the top of my head and secure it in place with a barrette through the loop. Then I add a couple of bobby pins. I really like how this one looks. Without a center part, I find it looks softer around the face. On a whim, I just coiled my braid and stuck a hair stick in it. I start with a side part. I take a small section at the front, twist, and then using a barrette, clip it while creating a poof with the hair by pushing it forward. Then I do the same to the other side. Braid the rest of the hair. Here I did a little loop at the end of the braid just to have the ends under control. Coil the braid on the back of the head, secure with a hair stick. If you don't have a hair stick, you can use a pencil, or I like to use crochet hooks since the hook can help prevent it from falling out.
And I think this is how I will wear my hair to work today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas of what to do with your hair. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have other ideas of fun things I can do with my hair, let me know in the comments section. Until next time, have fun, be creative, and take care.